Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Capital One app crashing or going to a black screen every time you try to take a photo of a check to deposit? This is one of the most reported Capital One bugs, and the fix is in your iPhone settings. First, go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down to find Capital One in the app list or directly search for it. You'll see a list of permissions that Capital One has been granted. Find camera and tap on it. Make sure it is set to allow. If it says ask or never, change it to allow right now. Without camera permission, the app crashes the moment it tries to open the camera for check deposit. After fixing camera permissions, also check for microphone on the same page and make sure that it is set to allow as well. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and force close the Capital One app from your recent apps. Then, reopen the app. Now try the check deposit camera again. If it still goes black, go to your settings and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down to find Capital One on the list and offload the app. Now, once you offload it, go to the App Store and then search for Capital One and reinstall it fresh from the App Store. A corrupted update is the second most common cause of the specific crash. So all you've got to do is go to your settings, find Capital One, tap camera, set to allow, force close and reopen, offload and reinstall if still crashing, and that's it.